Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. In this video we'll be seeing Python program for break and continue statements. Okay, first we'll see what is break and what is continue. So the break statement is generally used in loops. If suppose some condition is met and you don't want to execute the loop further, you'll simply apply break statement over there so that the control comes out of the loop. Now we'll see a small example for this one. I'll write the program for prime number over here. So what is prime number? Prime number is a number which is divisible by only the same number and 1. Okay, so we'll see how to write it. I'll take iterative variable I and its value 2, and suppose I want to check whether number 5 is a prime number or not. Now we'll run while loop while okay, I'll not write it. Okay, fine. While I less than num. Okay, so less than num because again if it is divisible by same number, it will be not a prime number, or it will be prime number and other numbers are also divisible by the same number. Now we'll check for each and every time if num mod I equals to 0 colon. So if any number is divisible by the number 0, then we'll apply break. And here I am taking one more variable p, that is to check it acts like a flag. Okay, if it is a prime number, its value will be 1, otherwise it will be 0. P equals to 0, then we'll apply break. And in the else part we'll write I plus equals to 1, that is we'll increment the loop iterative variable by 1. Now let us see how it runs. I's value is 2 for the first iteration. I 2 less than 5 condition true. It comes inside and checks whether 2 5 mod 2, that is 5 divided by 2, remainder is 0 or not. So remainder is not 0, the condition is false. It will not execute this part, it will go to else part. Again I plus equals to 1, that is i's value becomes 3 now. 3 less than 5 condition true, it comes here. 3 is divisible by 5, condition is false, it will not execute this one, it comes to else part. Again 4 is also not divisible by 5. Then the loops ends over here because i's value goes up to less than 5, that is 4. Now after this one, in the end it will print. Now we are checking here if p equals to 1, that is if its value is not changed to 0, then we are printing print prime number, else print not a prime number. Okay, hope you understood this. Now we'll see continue statement. continuous statement is also used in loops, and it is used in the situation where you want to jump in between the loop iterations. Okay, if suppose you don't want to execute few statements, if some condition is met, that time you are using the continue statement. Now we'll see a small example just for displaying even numbers. Okay, so I'll take here iterative variable, suppose from 1, then okay, let us take it from 0, and let us run a loop while, or even numbers will take from 2. I up to 10 numbers will run the loop. Then in this, if I mod 2 equals to 0, means if any number divisible by 2, that will be even number. In this case, we'll print value of I. Then else, if suppose the number is not divisible by 2, we'll simply write continue statement over here. Okay, let us see how it runs. For the first time, i's value 2. Okay, this condition is true. Then 2 mod 2 equals to 0, this is also true. So in the output part, what is displayed? 2. Next time i's value becomes 3. 3 less than 10, condition true. But 3 mod 2 is not equals to 0. So this condition is false. Then it simply executes continue. So this loop is skipped now, this iteration. Now it goes to the next iteration. So that is i's value becomes 4. Now 4 less than equals to 10, condition true. 4 mod 2 equals to 0, this condition is also true. So it will print the value 4. And one more thing, here don't forget to write I plus equals to 1. Okay, now next time i's value becomes 5. 5 mod 2 false, it continues the iteration. Again next time i's value becomes 6. 6 mod 2 equals to true. Okay, 0 is true, it will display 6. In the next iteration, value of I becomes 7. 7 less than equals to 10, condition true. But 7 mod 2 is not 0, so continue. Again 8. 8 mod 2 0, condition true. Let us print 8. Next time 9. 9 mod 2 equals to 0, condition false. Continue. Again next time it becomes 10. 10 mod 10 less than equals to 10, condition true. 10 mod 2 equals to 0, that is also true. Then it will print value of I. Next time the value becomes 11. 11 less than equals to 10, condition false. So control comes out of the loop and you will get this as the final output. So hope you understood the break and continue statements in Python. Hope to see you in upcoming videos. Till then, subscribe the channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.